Replicon has a comprehensive suite to manage time, costs, people, projects, and profits for your business. Whether it's to automate the project time to billing process, track project hours and costs at scale to share with backend or ERP systems, manage projects and resources, automate time and attendance and global gross pay compliance, reduce labor costs with better workforce management, ensure paid time off compliance globally. Now let's look at how we help you automate the tracking of project hours and costs in a hassle-free way with ProjectTime. We'll spend a couple of minutes with an overview before diving into the product. There's a good chance your organization lacks visibility into accurate project costs. This is because you don't have up-to-date, consistent, or detailed time data. As a result, your business runs into some of the most preventable problems, including an inability to manage project cost allocations or chargeback internally with confidence, the lack of an auditable record for any reporting and financial compliance needs, managing CapEx versus OpEx based on estimations that need to be corrected after the fact, the inability to do accurate project planning and derive insights based on past and current data. Replicon Suite, powered by our unique time intelligence platform, will help you tackle these challenges. Clickable configurations allow you to easily tailor our platform to how you work. Our platform scales from 10 to 100,000 employee organizations, supporting hundreds of thousands of users spread across 180 countries and more than 20 languages. We take a mobile-first approach, recognizing that workforces are becoming more and more deskless. And you can plug and play with your existing applications using our bi-directional web services API. Now we'll share with you how ProjectTime works. As a project-based organization, you want to track all your project costs while managing delivery. Having all your project time accounted for in one place is critical to this. Replicon ProjectTime provides that system in a hassle-free way that makes it easy to quickly deploy to various groups within your company. Configurable timesheets allow you to track project time the way your business needs it. Intelligent approval routing workflows ensure your project managers and supervisors aren't overloaded and gain proactive visibility into exceptions. You can define alerts and notifications that ensure time activities are accounted for efficiently and in real time. Replicon sources data anytime, anywhere, thanks to our mobile interface. The platform includes the same capture flexibility on mobile devices and also allows project managers to keep track of outstanding approvals for their team. Replicon's flexible project module allows you to define custom fields and project attributes, along with the ability to create teams and limit access to projects and tasks based on individuals, teams, regional offices, divisions, and more. This ensures that users only have access to the projects and tasks they're assigned to, rather than all of them within your organization, a key factor in ensuring accurate time capture. Replicon supports project tracking aligned with the way you do business. In-context summary dashboards and widgets enable your operations and finance teams with actionable project insights. This ensures accurate time allocations against internal projects and tasks and real-time visibility into ongoing project progress. Replicon can also easily harvest all time and project information from external sources such as SAP, Oracle, JD Edwards, Microsoft Project, Great Plains, Dynamics, and more to be the centralized and secure time reporting platform across your organization. Transform your business with complete real-time visibility into key metrics and steer your teams and projects with accurate time and cost updates. Graphical dashboards allow you to digest vast amounts of information effortlessly, and drill-down capabilities allow you to quickly isolate key areas. Replicon's powerful reporting engine puts the power of configurable reports in the hands of your end users, with full security around data access and the ability to schedule, share, and export to products of your choosing. Replicon's web services-based API provides the ability to plug and play with your existing applications. This is accomplished through pre-built connectors to the most common systems. You can export time data to accounting systems like QuickBooks, Dynamics 360, or ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, JD Edwards to streamline your accounting, costing, and chargebacks. Our platform is leveraged by thousands of customers globally. Replicon can solve any of your needs around managing time, costs, people, projects, and profits. Now that you've seen how ProjectTime works, check out one of our other product demos. To see ProjectTime in action, sign up for our free trial or schedule a consultation with our solution expert to get a customized demo.